Today, we're upgrading a working Linux Mint 22.2 system to Linux Mint 22.3 the proper way. No reinstall, no risky shortcuts, just the official, supported upgrade path that keeps your system intact. Before doing anything else, pause for a moment and make sure your system is fully updated. Open the Update Manager and let it install every available update. This matters more than people think. Upgrading on a half-updated system is how small issues turn into big ones later. Once updates are done, take a backup of your important files. Even though this upgrade is designed to be safe, having a backup gives you peace of mind. If something goes wrong, you're covered. Now stay inside the Update Manager. Look toward the top menu and open the Edit menu. You'll notice a new option there. It says, Upgrade to Linux Mint 22.3 Zena. Click it. A new window opens welcoming you to the upgrade process. This screen explains what version you're moving to and shows the release notes. Take a few seconds to read through it. This is where Mint tells you what's changing and what to expect. When you're ready, continue. The upgrade tool now prepares your system. It checks your setup, verifies repositories, and makes sure everything is compatible. If something needs attention, you'll be notified here. Otherwise, you move straight ahead. Next comes the main part. Packages for Linux Mint 22.3 begin downloading and installing. This can take some time depending on your internet speed and system performance. Let it run. Don't interrupt it. This is not the moment to multitask or close windows. During this stage, Mint replaces older components with updated ones while keeping your files, apps, and settings exactly where they are. When the process finishes, you'll see a message confirming the upgrade is complete. At this point, reboot your system. After rebooting, log in as usual. You're now running Linux Mint 22.3 Zena. Everything should feel familiar, but under the hood, you're on the latest stable release with updated components and refinements. If you're already on Linux Mint 22.2, this is the simplest and safest way to move forward and stay current with the project. That's how you upgrade Linux Mint the right way.